In this video, we're going to check out the 21st annual Cars on Main in Lannon, Wisconsin, 2026. Hey guys, this is Josh with Oxman Racing. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. So in today's video, we're going to check out the Cars on Main Lannon Car Show, the 21st anniversary in 2026. This is a car show that I have in Lannon, Wisconsin every year at the end of July. You start your day by checking out with the registration and the registration card on your vehicle. You get some raffle tickets. And then head over to the Lannon Falls Lions breakfast over at the firehouse. You get yourself some eggs, pancakes, French toast, sausage, and check out that fire station. Very awesome. And then you get your seat to check out the view of all the cars that are driving by. Just an awesome car show. Registration usually starts at 7 o'clock and goes to 1 o'clock. It's a $10 donation, and the first 500 entries get a dash plaque. They have all the door prizes and ticket drawings at 2 o'clock. They have a 50-50 raffle. Typically, in years past, they had the Nitro Funny Cars firing up at 11 and 1 o'clock. This year, they didn't have that. I think there was a funny car that started up, and it was pretty loud. But just a great, diverse group of makes, models. You had imports, you had classic cars, domestic, everything was there. Typically they filled up this field. You can see that border of cars. This is early in the morning. They have food trucks there. You also get a free drink ticket. You can get a beer, water, or soda. This usually is at the end of July every year, and it's really hot. I recommend drinking a lot of water and getting some sunscreen on. Just a great show. They fill up this field fairly quickly. They have a bunch of vendors there for car products, detailing, and they have a bunch of food trucks. So if you're hungry in the afternoon, get some food. A lot of people bring their canopies, lawn chairs, and set up and just have a nice time, a lot of camaraderie, a lot of fun with family and friends within the community of Lannon, Wisconsin. We really got to thank those volunteers for coming out and setting this up every single year. And this year, we didn't know if there was going to be another car show. They included a letter saying that this might be the last one. But I did see a Facebook post that they will be back next year, which is great news, and we really appreciate all those volunteers that dedicate their time to make this show happen every single year, and those Lannon Falls Lions Club that put on that great breakfast at the firehouse. So we really appreciate everybody that puts this show together every year. And I don't know what the politics was with that letter. Maybe the village or the town board was against it or something, but I'm glad it worked out. But as you can see, that this field, with it just in a couple hours, it fills up super quick. And this show averages about 600 or more cars a year, depending on the weather. But you get everything here: classic cars, late model, import, domestic, trucks, cars. I think in years past we saw some semi trucks that were there. Just an awesome show. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out all the cars. Very awesome collection of everything that's here. I really hope you enjoy this video. So make sure you come back and check out some more car show videos. Alright guys, gonna wrap up this video. If you stuck around this long, make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more car show videos just like this. If you have any comments or questions, comment down below. I'll answer them the best I can. We'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Josh with Oxman Racing.